This guide will help you calibrate the server timeout settings in Red Dead Redemption 2 to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch Red Dead Redemption 2 and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the settings option to access various game configurations. Step 2. Go to Online Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Online tab. This section contains options specific to your online gameplay, including server timeout settings. Step 3. Adjust server timeout. In Online Settings, find the server timeout option. You can adjust the timeout duration to a longer setting to reduce the frequency of disconnections. Choose a value that suits your playstyle. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the server timeout, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the Settings menu and click it to confirm your adjustments. Step 5. Restart the game. To ensure that the new settings take effect, exit the game completely and restart it. This will allow the game to apply the new server timeout settings properly. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate the server timeout settings in Red Dead Redemption 2 effectively. Enjoy your gaming experience.